That was a great team win. When I say team, I'm talking about all the players, all the fans, all the people in the organization that contribute to the success of the team in every way. The fans were great out there today. The atmosphere was great. I think it affected their offense a little bit. Did a great job on special teams today, coming up with 2 big plays that both turned out to be scores. Really, proud of the way we played on defense. They got a really good offensive team, really hard to defend, really good receivers. When we made mistakes, they made plays. We made a few, all things that can be correctable. But I was really proud of the way we were able to run the ball and have balance offensively. So, AJ did a really good job of managing the game today. We did a lot of, no-huddle stuff where we could see what they were doing, try to see what they were doing, and so to take us out of some bad plays, and I really felt like that was a real key to the game. So, we ask every guy on our team, to step up and, be the best football player you can be today. Now is the time to do it. We're in SEC play. This is a big game for us in our division, and they have a really good football team, and I was really, proud of the way our players, did what they did out there today. So I got some other guys lined up. It was a physical game out there. 2 good football teams playing. So really proud of the way our guys, competed in the game, played hard for 60 minutes. A lot of players played. A lot of players had roles in the game, and they all did a really good job. So I can't thank our fans enough for the job that they did of affecting the game, the entire game. So it was great.